Okay guys, so let's talk about the switch statement. I'm going to remove this one so you guys can easily get the code. So you know very well about the conditions statements and also the variables and also data types and also the operators. I'm saying switch, case, else, for now. These are the two things. You are checking the things with if else. We always check the things with switch case. But you use the conditions in if else statements, conditions a greater than b, a less than b. So these are the conditions. But in switch statements, you always use the expressions. So let's suppose switch syntax. So this is the switch syntax. You have the switch. You have to write switch as it is. Your expressions goes here and two curly braces. Inside the two curly braces, your expressions here. So you have, sorry, so these are not the curly braces, these are the braces. Okay, so your expressions here and this is the curly brace block of code which is going to execute it by you. So from here to here. But in switch cases you have the cases. Case 1 statement break. Statement means block of code or code here. A equals to b, a less than b, a plus 1, a plus b, whatever statement you have. Case 2 your statement break and your default statement. So you have the else, which is the default. If the if block is not executed, the system always executed the else if you have defined the else. Similarly, you have the default block. If the case is not matched with the expressions, then the default block will be executed or always executed. It depends on you. Now I'm saying integer a equals to or auto or any kind of variables like human. For now, I'm saying a equals to 10. Now I'm saying switch statement expressions. Just give the a variable here, block of code. I'm saying case 1. So this is the case 1. For now, I'm sorry about this. I'm saying case 1 and here the block of code. Case 2, a block of code. Case 3, a block of code. Case 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It depends on you. I'm saying default block. And this is the default block. Sorry, default case. Default 1, 2. Okay, so let's suppose we are changing the value from 1. So this is the 1. Now you have 1 in the variable. So whenever you are giving the variables in switch statement here, so this is the expressions. So since you have 1, so the case always executed, which is this one, value equals to 1. So let's try it, refresh, sorry. So as you can see, value equals to 1. This block of code is executed, this block of code. Make sure we are using the break. So let's suppose if you are not using the break here, then what happens? Let's try it. The value is 2. Also, you have the value is 2. So value is 1, value is 2. So it's also executing this block of code, even though you have this case. So that's why you always use the break statement. That means you are saying just break it, break. Okay, so let's suppose now you have 2 inside the variables. Let's try it. What happens? The expression value equals to 2. This case is executed. If your value is 3, so this is the constant value, direct value I'm giving. Run. You have the 3. Value is 3. Okay, so let's suppose if you are giving 33. Since 33 is not available in the cases, so that's why default block is executed. So this is the default block. 1, 2, 3, or anything you are writing here. I'm saying default block or default case block, both are the same things. Now return default block. So in this way, your switch statements always work. Okay, so this is the integer value. Let's say you have the character. Let's say you have the character values. So I'm saying character operator, and now I'm saying no, character equals to, I'm saying +1, plus minus, fine. Now I'm saying switch, and I'm giving the operator here, and I'm saying case. Okay, let's say this is not operator, this is character. Okay, I'm saying my chr character. In this time, I'm saying a, fine. And now I'm saying my character. My character is the variable name. You can write any kind of variables name. It depends on you. I'm saying case. Now I'm saying a. Another case. I'm writing case b, semicolon. Make sure. So this is not the semicolon. This is the colon. And now I'm saying printf and sorry, printf and your b value. Similarly, case 3 or case c. So it depends on you how many cases you are having or you're writing, and after that default value, default, default, and this is the default. I'm going to write this one. So in the expressions you have a, so let's try it. So the case always executed a. If your expression b, you are executing this block of code, otherwise this block of code or this block of code. So let's suppose you are saying bb or 3 times, sorry, 3 times or abc. Let's suppose z. So the default block is executed, this default block. So it depends on you which expressions you have. So in this time we have the character, you will have the floating values or any kind of values.